everybody, I'm super excited to share this new video with you of unboxing an entire set of the Fairy Garden pieces, so I hope you enjoy. Bye! Hey everybody, we're here to open a complete case of the Gumon Fairy Garden from AuDHD. These are manufactured by 52 Toys, who also makes the same products that I love that are the Sleep Elves. They also make Pangu the Tiger, who I have not opened on this channel, but I have opened a bunch of them before because I'm obsessed. So this is our sealed package directly from, I want to say I ordered this directly from 52 Toys via, I think, AliExpress. So there's a 1% chance of getting some of the rarer ones, so I don't expect that we will get them. I do follow my rule still of only getting things that you really want, most of them. Unless there's one you don't want that you can sell for the value of the entire box and you don't mind, then you should do that. So these are display boxes. So this you would get for your store, and you would unbox it thusly to make a display like this. Any of you who have worked retail will remember doing this at some point. And then it looks like this entire side rips off, so try to zoom out a little more without flinging the entire unit off the table again. So it looks like this comes off here. I'm gonna help it along. Last time I absolutely obliterated that box and made it very not cute. Probably cutting through the boxes underneath right now. There is a cost to everything, but I love this artwork with the beautiful mushrooms. So pretty. Ah, so pretty. Flip and slice. I usually wait until these go on sale. I believe these came out last year. I don't care. I enjoy opening them. It's my dopamine. I got these on sale, so I believe I paid $99 for the entire case when they originally retailed for $17 each, I want to say. Here's the other side of our beautiful packaging. Excuse my coughing. I am having a terrible allergy attack, and I have been sneezing very hard for quite some time. Okay, don't slip off your fingers. Perfect. And now, na 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 na. So cute. Okay. So here's our 6. These are the ones we can get. These, I believe, are the rare versions over here. And then there's like an ultra rare where it comes with like a whole elaborate crystal clear bird cage wrapped around her body. Sincerely doubt we'll be seeing one of those. Okay, I'm going to reset with us zoomed in a little closer so we can open our 6 new friends. Okay, and we're back with a slightly shaky camera, but we have 6 of these. There's a potential for several super secrets. These are the super duper secrets down here. Excuse the dust, my sticky roller has gone missing in action. Let's see if we get a good rip. And very good rip. Satisfactory. I don't even actually have a place to put these right now, so they might be going right back in their box once they get opened. Let's see who we got. These are by Yuan Liu. It's L-I-U, so I apologize if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And usually these come with like some long elaborate story or something. I couldn't find anything on the website about these characters. And it looks like we got our photo sake on the box. Oh, so beautiful. Some of these, the artwork on is just awesome. As you've heard me yell about repeatedly for the last 3 videos with blind boxes. Okay, let's see our little person here. Oh, just a wrap of plastic. Could reuse that, I suppose. And here's our little mushroom house. Look at her little horse on her head. There's little windows in her hat house. The little fate. Oh, so cute. There's beautiful ombre on the legs of her mushroom chair. Ombre on her dress. Ombre on the top of the mushrooms. So beautiful. And the face is very nicely shaded. She has a tiny bit of blush to her cheeks. So lovely. Please excuse any finger wounds you might be seeing, as I have been working very hard getting ready for Christmas and making things with my hands, so they're very tired. All right, number 2. And again, the rares on these are so rare. I really do not expect to get one. I would be shocked and amazed at the likelihood of such a happening. I think you actually might be more likely if you just ordered single boxes, because those are like randomly dumped out of lots and lots of these boxes. But if it's like a 1% chance for, oh no, I'm so sorry. If it's like a 1% chance for every single complete case, your chances might be better if you ordered singles. And who did we get? Oh, somehow I missed her card. Oh, good Lord. Oh, okay. Well, we'll look at both cards. So this is the White Castle. We've got some sort of scanny doodle. Still have not figured these out and don't want to download a Chinese app, so probably won't find out. And then here's our first one, the Mushroom Cottage. So that's hers. Or theirs, I don't know. They are dressed ambiguously. It could be a lady or a gentleman or a nothing in whatever they want. So here is the castle that is white. Here is the castle person. I love the little staircase. Get all the trash out of the way here. Unwrap. Save the plastic. More beautiful ombre. You can tell that these are being painted by a similar person to the Sleep Sea Elves. And this beautiful, like, little Colosseum style staircase going up to this wonderful little white castle. Oh, it has clear doors and windows. How nice. Even the little house does. How cute. Real clear windows there. And I love just the really simplistic suggestion of trees. Again, a beautiful face and less mushroomy and more like the base of a tower. It almost reminds me of like one of those precariously leaning castle towers over the sea. So there's the White Castle. And then I'll go to the back here. Let's see who's inside. Let's see. Who's inside? Oh God, I keep hitting them. I gotta move you back a little so I stop hitting these poor people. Let's see. Ooh, it's the one with the bunny. Bunny. Yay. This is the Blueberry Spring. Oh, and there's a bunny that lives in her hat. Get rid of that. Let's extricate our bunny from his prison. Oh, the blueberries to die. Oh, this is a nice one. This might be my first favorite after the one with the little horse, because who doesn't love a tiny white horse? Let's get the bunny. Let's get the trash. Oh my, so much trash. Let's unwrap. Let's turn this so you can see better. Save the plastic. Okay, so let's look at her, him, they, them. We have blueberries with little gold poof poofs. Trying to get it to focus for you. Beautiful ombre again. The gold goes to the top of the blueberry crown. Even the inside of the blueberry is painted. The face, still gorgeous. Cloudy blueberry and cream vibes. But look, one of the poofs looks kind of like a little bunny. So cute. Okay, and then here's our little bunny. And it lives in the hat. Oh, look at the bunny. Come on, buddy, you can focus. It's a little too bright. There we go. You can almost see his little eye, but there, when I turn it, there you go. Now you can see his little eyes. So sweet. Okay, so we got the blueberry spring. These are all going to tip over as soon as I move this box, aren't they? Probably. Oh, good Lord. Ah, no! Oh, God. Okay, let's... Oh, dear. Okay. Okay, everybody migrate. Everybody find a new spot in the house. Here we go. Repurpose, reconnoiter here. Ugh, the whole display is coming to bits here, people. Bunny down. Bunny down. Okay, we're back. Ah, oh my God. I nearly lost that box and smushed a cat. Okay, here we go. Last 3. Good rip. Always a satisfactory rip from 52 Toys. I will say that. Turn so you can see a bit more. There we go. Before this thing flings itself off the table again. Oh, no, look at the little basket. Why did I not think that this basket was all in one piece? I didn't know. I had no idea. This is the meteor's nest. Oh, it's where little stars fell. It's too much. They are so cool, these. I love the artist that 52 Toys hires. So amazing. Okay, so looks like our person is setting some kind of fuzzy Yeti head nearly. Beautiful ombre again on the clothes and the boots. All of them are marked. Fairy Garden. And then there's this wonderful little basket, which I'm sure you could put any number of creatures in. And then we have these wonderful... Oh, I'm going to have to poke these out. Poke them free. Poke them free. We have meteors. We have wonderful little fantastical stars here. Goodbye, plastic. And you can set them in the hat. Oh, look how cool. Some of them are translucent. So cool. Too big, too small for each color. Or one big, one small for each color. You get 2 of each size. And they're catching the meteors in the fairy garden. Love it. Last 2. Let's see. Probably no rares, but one can always hope. Though these ones are exceedingly rare. And who have we got here? Looks like the cotton one. So strangely, they have a cotton jam. I don't know what that means. I don't know if they mean a cotton gin, but they're sitting on jam. Can you make jam from cotton? I will Google this and get back to you if there's a jam cotton such a thing. I have never heard of it, but I'll believe you if you tell me it's a thing. Japan finds fascinating ways to, well, Asia in general finds fascinating ways to utilize foods that I have never heard of. Okay, so here's our cotton friend who has perfect cotton boules as her hair pom-poms, which they fade out a little in the light if I don't hold my hand very close so that you can see. Beautiful ombre shoes and outfit sitting on a little jam jar. And I really will Google cotton jam. I don't see why you couldn't make a jam. Maybe they're like the flowers are edible. Maybe in the fantasy garden you can make jam out of anything. I don't make the rules in this garden. Okay, we have cotton jam. And now our very last one. Of our beautiful little friends. Good rip, as ever. You'd be horrified by the box pile I'm surrounded by right now. And we should have the one I'm really excited about, which is the cage. And it has little mushrooms in the bottom. Yay! We got the one with the mushrooms, which actually was the common one, but I wanted the one with the mushrooms, not the one with the crystal. So this is the Padmaraga cage. I don't know what that means. Gonna have to Google that too. But the little mushrooms and the crystal are what I was most interested in. And I will give you a view of everybody together when we're done here. Open sesame. Oh, this is probably my favorite. Too many favorites. They're all my favorite. They're all always my favorite. Trash pile. Goodbye. Okay. Look. She has a little bird in her hat cage. They have a bird in their hat cage. One day I'll get it right throughout an entire video. The bird is very nicely made. It's not clunky at all. It's very cute. Beautiful cage hat. Beautiful painting per usual. Beautiful ombre. And then the highlight of this entire experience is the crystal with little mushies. Look at the mushies inside, you guys. There's little mushy tushes. Oh, I love these. As always, another beautiful set. I highly recommend these to anybody who collects artwork of any kind. They just look beautiful on your shelf, and they're a nice thing to have and a nice way to give artwork in an under $20 kind of way. I think it'd be a really fun, like, friend group exchange to do blind box exchanges where you exchange some fun piece of artwork, maybe in like one of the pass around Secret Santas or a white elephant that's only nice things. But I would be so delighted if I got this little wonderful garden fairy for the holidays. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will take some beauty shots of all the little friends for you to enjoy. I hope you subscribe. I'm just learning how to do this, and I hope to bring you lots of new stuff in the new year with lots more stitching and crafts and unboxings and all the weirdness that I get up to in my life. So I hope you'll join me by liking and subscribing. It really helps me out as I learn how to navigate this platform. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!